with Arya Gupta. Now, today's episode is really special for all of us because we have one of the lead protagonists of the biggest show of this year, that is Scam 1992, the Harshad Mehta story. And yes, all of you know it already. We have with us the man who played the role of Ashwin Mehta and did a lot of justice to it, Mr. Hemant Kher, sir. Thank you so much for joining us, sir, today. It is a
Thank you.
very big opportunity for us to have you here.
Thank you. Thank you.
So before moving on, I just wanted to let you know this that we conducted a poll on Instagram asking people to guess who will be joining us today for the interview. Gave
Okay.
them three names: yours, Pratik Gandhi sir's name, and Chirag Vora sir's name. And
Okay.
more than 70% of the people voted in favor of you.
Oh,
So
wow.
yeah, I don't know how and what sorcery is this, but I think this is the love that people have for you, which is
Absolutely.
insane. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. I'm really grateful and humbled, and it's so kind of people that they are loving us so much. Thank you so much.
Yes. On that note, sir, on the love that you've been receiving since the past so many years, and especially this year, this has been a very great year for all of us, and especially for you.
Yeah.
Not all of us, but especially for you because of the success of Scam. All of us are stuck in this lockdown. But on that note, sir, you are somebody who does not belong to the acting background. Like you were somebody who came from the outside as an outsider and established yourself in this industry. So क्या आपको कभी ऐसा लगा कि बॉलीवुड से कोई नाराजगी है आपको, या मतलब कि आउटसाइडर्स को इतने मौके नहीं दिए जाते, या उनको नहीं दिया जाता कि उन पे रिस्क नहीं लेते लोग? एंड एज योर शो सेज, रिस्क है तो इश्क है. So, do you think that Bollywood should give more opportunities and stuffs to newcomers and outsiders? Do you have any opinion on that?
I have no anger or no bad feelings about it. If I'm being very truthful, मुझे कभी ऐसा लगा नहीं कि मैं आउटसाइडर हूँ और मुझे मौका इसलिए नहीं दे रहे हैं क्योंकि आउटसाइडर हूँ। क्योंकि जितने भी लोग इंडस्ट्री में आए, समझ लीजिए वो यशराज हो या बी आर चोपड़ा हो, जब वो पहली बार आए थे तो वो भी आउटसाइडर थे। तो
Yes.
सब आउटसाइडर्स ने आकर ही मुंबई को बसाया है, और सब आउटसाइडर्स ने आकर ही इंडस्ट्री को बनाया है। ऐसा नहीं है कि सारे महाराष्ट्रियन हैं इंडस्ट्री में,
No,
जो
not
यहीं
at all.
रहने वाले लोग हैं, ऐसा नहीं है। तो ये ऐसा सिस्टम है, मतलब ये जानने वाले जानने वालों को काम देते हैं, वो हमारे देश में हर क्षेत्र में है, हर फील्ड में है। और ये एक सैड पार्ट है कि टैलेंटेड लोगों को थोड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ती है तब जाके वो रिकॉग्नाइज होते हैं। और
Because,
लेकिन अगर
yeah.
आप टैलेंटेड हो और अगर आप मेहनत करते रहो तो कभी ना कभी तो रिकॉग्निशन आता है। सो वो और अभी का जो समय है इज अ ग्रेट टाइम फॉर एक्टर्स लाइक अस हु डजंट हैव एनीथिंग एक्सेप्ट टैलेंट, क्योंकि अब ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म
OTT
पे जो
platforms. Yes, sir.
कंटेंट है वो किंग बनने लगा है। अब लोग कंटेंट को ज्यादा अहमियत देने लगे हैं। तो उस हिसाब से हम लोगों को भी थोड़ा बहुत अब मौके मिल रहे हैं, और बहुत सारे नए नए एक्टर्स को मौके मिल रहे हैं, और सारे अच्छे एक्टर्स ओटीटी पे देखने को मिल रहे हैं।
Yes, so that is
तो ये
you do you think that ये जो OTT platforms का जो rise हुआ है, this is somewhat breaking the hegemony of mainstream cinema and mainstream actors overall, because we've seen some great actors emerging from these OTT platforms who nobody knew them, and now they are just superstars of this
या
field. So do you think it has somewhat brought down the the power and everything that the mainstream cinema had?
I don't know about bringing down the power or anything like that. But I'm very sure and I'm very happy about the fact that the OTT platform is giving opportunity to to a lot of actors like me.
uh,
Those who doesn't have connections and those who are little shy about asking for work, and who are little introvert in a sense when it comes about asking for work. I have learned to do it now. I go and ask people and tell them that, see if you can give me some character, but I could never do that initially. So I
Going for
really feel
auditions
that,
and
yeah, I used to go for auditions, but I was never prominent about it. I was never pushy about it. But now I'm trying a little bit, and trying to get in touch with people, connecting people, and taking my steps towards it. But yes, the OTT has definitely opened the doors फॉर लॉट ऑफ एक्टर्स, और इतना सारा काम हो रहा है तो कहीं ना कहीं तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ मौका मिलता ही है।
इतने
अब
सारे
मौका मिलने
नए
के,
यस यस सर प्लीज कंटिन्यू।
मैं ये कह रहा था कि मौका मिलने के बाद आप क्या करते हो, उसका कितना फायदा उठाते हो, कितने अच्छे तरीके से आप काम करते हो, वो बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है। तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है सिस्टम को, या जो एनवायरनमेंट है, जो जो ऑलरेडी एटमॉस्फेयर बना हुआ है, उसको कंप्लेन उसके बारे में करने से अच्छा है कि अ, उसमें जो कुछ आप कर सकते हो,
न्यू
उसमें जो आप बन
या
सकते हो या अपना रास्ता ढूंढ सकते हो, उसके लिए कोशिश करनी चाहिए। आप ट्रिमिंग करने में एनर्जी वेस्ट करें, उससे अच्छा है कि आप कुछ क्रिएट करने में एनर्जी लगाएं अपनी। दैट इज व्हाट आई फील।
so like do you feel OTT platforms are like the IPL of Bollywood कि नए खिलाड़ियों को मौका मिल रहा है अपना टैलेंट दिखाने का?
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली, इट्स मोर देन आईपीएल, आई थिंक। क्योंकि आईपीएल का मैच खत्म हो जाता है, ये मैच लंबे समय तक चलता
लंबे
है,
समय
सो
तक
हाँ।
and this is even
सो
growing more the Netflix, Amazon Prime, Sony Live, Hotstar, it's like everywhere now everybody is subscribed to these platforms.
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली।
So also with the rise of these platforms and with so many shows, so many popular series and shows coming up, do you
या
think, do you find any change in the taste of the audience? Like पहले सिर्फ
डेफिनेटली।
ऐसा ऐसा होता था सिर्फ एक्शन पैक्ड मूवीज या क्लीशेड रोमांस ड्रामा एंड स्टफ्स नाउ the audience is even liking practical content and real life based content, so do you feel any vast difference in the taste of the audience?
See, that audience is going to consume whatever you are going to offer to them. They are going to consume things that they haven't seen, but you need to offer it to them.
Mm.
Initially, क्या होता था कि हम वही एक जो चक्रव्यूह में फंसे हुए टाइप के जो जो स्टोरीज थी, सास बहू और सागाज, वो टीवी पे चल रही थी तो लोग वही देख रहे थे। लेकिन जब उससे हटकर कुछ आता है तो लोगों ने वो भी देखा। और ओटीटी की वजह से क्या हो गया है कि अब द ऑडियंस इज एक्सपोज टू द कंटेंट फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड। मतलब
Yes.
हमारे देश के लोग पैरासाइट भी देख पा रहे हैं, हमारे यहाँ के लोग मनी हेस्ट भी देख पा रहे हैं। और इसीलिए यहाँ के जो हमारे कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स हैं, उनके लिए भी एक नया चैलेंज पैदा हुआ है,
How to
एंड
stay
एक
relevant.
नया एक्साइटमेंट भी है, क्योंकि हमेशा से हमारे यहाँ के कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स भी ऐसा कुछ करना चाह रहे थे, मौका नहीं मिल रहा था। क्योंकि देखिए, हम सब ना, रिस्क है तो इश्क है सुनने में बहुत अच्छा लगता है, लेकिन सब रिस्क लेने से डरते हैं। स्पेशली व्हेन यू आर पुटिंग लॉट ऑफ मनी एंड क्रिएटिंग कंटेंट, आप और डरते हैं कि ऐसा कुछ हम ना कर दे जो लोगों ने कभी देखा नहीं है और अचानक से उनको बाउंसर ना चला जाए। बट दैट इज अ रॉन्ग वे ऑफ थिंकिंग अबाउट इट। पीपल आर गोइंग टू ऑलवेज लाइक समथिंग न्यू, so we have this opportunity now to tell new stories in a new format, in a new way, and we should grab it and we should take it up. सो बहुत
Yeah.
सारे लोग कर रहे हैं, बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी रट में फंसे हुए हैं। लेकिन मुझे लगता है कि ऑडियंस का टेस्ट चेंज होने से ज्यादा ये हुआ है कि ऑडियंस के सामने नए टेस्ट रखे जा रहे हैं, तो इसलिए ऑडियंस कंज्यूम कर पा रही है उनको। ऑडियंस चेंज नहीं हुई है, द कंटेंट क्रिएटर्स एंड द कंटेंट इज चेंजिंग, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ ओटीटी पीपल आर एबल टू वॉच एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम ऑल अराउंड द वर्ल्ड।
Because
सो दैट इज द ग्रेट
we used to
साइन।
have
या
only few examples. So, of talking about the show, if Pratik Gandhi sir, who acted as Harshad Mehta on the show, if he can be said as the heater of the investment business of the show, you as Ashwin Mehta always acted as the cooler, and बहुत से मजेदार clips रहे हैं, बहुत से मजेदार scenes हैं, मजेदार dialogues हैं. So please let us know which dialogue is your favorite from amongst all those things, because बहुत सारे फिल्मी dialogues रहे हैं show में, and बहुत से ऐसे जो मतलब फिल्मी रहे but people can relate to it. So which one is your favorite?
My favorite is the one that Harshad speaks and when he says कि मैं शेयर मार्केट का दरिया हूँ, जो चाहे वो आके नमक चख ले. That is the dialogue that stayed with me even, and the way he delivered that speech, that whole
Yes,
speech is
it's a
very
masterpiece.
motivating, and it's greatly done by Pratik, obviously. But basically, the last two lines, that सब बदल जाएगा लेकिन दरिया नहीं बदलेगा, मैं शेयर मार्केट का दरिया हूँ जिसका मन हो नमक चख ले, is I always feel that अरे यार ये लाइन मुझे बोलने को मिलती तो कितना मजा आता. So yeah, it's you know a positive jealousy, जिसमें मुझे लगता है कि
Yeah,
अरे
that is
यार
also
कितनी
that
प्यारी
is also
लाइन है.
necessary. Yes, that is also
Yeah.
important
मतलब in a good way, in a
in
good
a
way.
good
That
way. Yes.
अरे yeah, yeah. So that is my favorite line.
So, did you have the opportunity of meeting the family of Harshad Mehta ever while the shoot or before, while preparation and stuff? Did you
No,
ever?
no, no. They are very secretive about their life. They have not to get in touch with us, or we never tried to get in touch with them. I had asked the production to get me in touch with them, but they couldn't. And but I really wish to meet them someday. I just got to know that they have watched the show and they really liked it.
Yes, yes. What opinion do they
Heard.
hold?
Yeah, that's what I heard from somewhere, and I instantly requested them to make us meet them. Let's see if we get a chance to meet them. I really
Yeah,
want to
that'll be
meet them.
great. Yes, sir. So what opinion do you have on like Harshad was alone scandalized by the then media for everything that he did, and he alone was scandalized, but not the entire system. Like people did not talk about the entire system. It was only Harshad Mehta, Harshad Mehta, Harshad Mehta. So what is your opinion on that? Was it right or
I feel that what Harshad did, why he fell down, why he has to go through all that which he went through, is because he made himself bigger than the system. What he did is, while manipulating the
showcasing
system,
himself more?
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and he could do that, and he managed to go beyond the system. That is what I understood, and that is why his downfall came. That is the reason. So अगर सिस्टम में रह के अपने आप को छुपा के उसने सब कुछ कर लिया होता, तो शायद कभी किसी को उसका स्कैम पता भी नहीं चलता.
Because
But
many people were doing the same thing. It was not
absolutely.
he was the only. Yeah.
या एब्सोल्युटली. और वो हर्षद का गलती ही वो हो गया, दैट वो उसको भी रियलाइज होता है, और वो उसमें भी आपको सीरीज में भी उसका रेसिड्यू देखने को मिलता है. ही रियलाइज्ड इट लिटिल लेट. Somebody, I heard somebody's video on Instagram who interviewed Harshad, and he said that Harshad was aware of the fact that he played over the top. He could have hid himself, and he could have played little underplay, and
Yeah,
could have
undercover and
managed to,
yeah,
yeah. But he went all out, and that brought him down.
stock market ka Amitabh Bachchan. Yes.
He used to hear, he used to like that, he used to like
Hmm.
that style, that Lexus and all those things. So that brought him down. That's what I feel.
Drifting apart from थोड़ा formal conversations, so अगर बात करें शो के hit होने की, it was a blockbuster. Everybody loved it. Everybody was talking about it, and I think even you as actors never anticipated this. Like you all might have thought that it'll be a hit, but it'll be so grand that was never on the agenda. So, what do you feel? What was your thoughts over this, and how did you feel basically?
When we were doing the show, it was shot very smoothly. It was written so well. We were aware
Yeah.
of the script and the way Hansel sir was conducting it, and the way Jay and everybody was making it, and the way everybody was performing it. We knew that it is going to be a good product. We knew that it will turn out to be good. but we never anticipated that it is going to be such a humongous hit. We never thought that it is going to be, it is going to be part of the pop culture. That we never
Yeah.
thought, but it happened. And then when I analyzed that why it happened, I yesterday or day before yesterday, I think 2 days back, we met, we all of us, the gang, the Bull gang and Hansal sir,
Okay.
we had a small get together at Hansal sir's new place. So there we were talking about it, and I said that, see, everybody like Hansal sir was doing his films. He was struggling to make the kind of cinema he wanted to make. There was Pratik, who was in the industry since last 15 years doing Gujarati cinema. There was me, who was doing odd jobs to keep myself running. And there was Jay Upadhyay, Chirag Vora,
Mm,
Shreya. All of us were looking for something fruitful since long
yes.
time,
Yes.
and we all were honest with our craft and with our work. I think that honesty, that truthfulness, that hunger to do something good has worked. And the universe finally saw that these guys are, running around and trying to make something out of their
Struggling to make
life.
it. Yes.
Yeah, so
And
let's
it's
give them
totally
the gift.
justified.
That's what I feel. Yeah.
So, what difference do you feel in the behavior and the response that the audience is giving you now, before and after the show? What difference do you feel?
Before, very less people used to know, those who used to know that I'm working in Mumbai, for example, in my hometown, and close ones, and my family was always supportive. My kids and my wife and my parents were always supportive, but those, I could see doubt in people's eyes when I used to meet them before. They were like, हाँ, he is trying, उसका कुछ हो जाएगा types. And money wise, career wise, I earned a lot as a writer and a director, and I have created my farms and my house and stuff like that. So people knew that I'm earning good, but they always feel that, अरे इसको तो कहीं देखने को मिलता नहीं है.
Yeah,
But
unless people find somebody in mainstream like cinema and stuff, it's like, okay, so they
yeah,
must be struggling.
correct. So now their point of view is changed. Now they know that,
Mm.
oh yeah, he's such a good actor, and that is what changed, and that I feel good about it, because now I don't have to tell people that I'm an actor. Basically,
So
now people
recognition
know.
has come along with the
Yeah,
success
yeah,
of, yeah.
yeah, yeah. That is the good thing that happened.
So any special message or any congratulations message from somebody special that you remember?
Oh, there are many. I mean, there are people who are writing personal stories about their life. I got a message from somebody saying that, this happened to our life when my brother lost all money in the market, and I stood by him, and I really felt that somebody told my story. A young boy sent me this message.
That is how much people could relate to this series.
Yeah, I got one very interesting message from somebody called Daud Ibrahim, not that Daud Ibrahim, but some else Daud Ibrahim,
I'm
saying
sure.
that there was this split between my father and his brother. They were doing business, and they got, they fought with each other, and they got on their different paths. And after watching Scam, they came together, and now they are doing business together now again. And
Has even
this is,
joined families.
yeah, and so it is joining families. I get this often कि भाई हो तो अश्विन जैसा, which I feel really great about. And I get lot of messages saying that you have created a benchmark where we have to take
Yes,
us as, and not as an
absolutely so.
actor, but as a brothers. We should be like you. So this personal stories are really moving, and I'm getting lot of it, you know yeah.
So you deserve it all. You, your team, the entire team of Scam deserves all of it because it is really a humongous show. It is something that has changed the course of the OTT platform as well. So,
So
sir,
kind of it, yeah.
So, talking about newcomers and outsiders who come from outside Mumbai and try to, gain some sort of a position in the industry, I think you can answer this question the best. That how can somebody establish themselves? Like, what should they know? Mumbai आने से पहले क्या किस तरह के ख्याल होने चाहिए उनके या what tips and anything which you wish to give from your experience?
When people come from outside, no, they are working on their local levels. तो local level पे क्या होता है कि आपकी बहुत तारीफ हो रही होती है, आपको लगता है, आपको लोग बहुत तारीफ करते हैं, आप ही एक अच्छे एक्टर होते हो अपने शहर में, अपने गांव में, अपने मोहल्ले में। तो सब लोग बोल रहे होते हैं, अरे क्या बढ़िया करता है, क्या बढ़िया करता है, और वो आपको कॉन्फिडेंस देता है।
Hmm.
और वो कॉन्फिडेंस ओवर कॉन्फिडेंस में बदल जाता है, क्योंकि जब आप मुंबई आते हो तब आप सोच के आते हो कि मैं जाऊंगा वहां पे, मेरा परफॉर्मेंस देखते ही लोग बिल्कुल चरणों में गिर जाएंगे और दूसरे दिन से मेरे झंडे गड़ जाएंगे, ये सोच के लोग आते हैं। तो जब कल ही मुझे किसी एक लड़की का कॉल आया था, और वो कह रही थी, सर मैं तो 1 साल से काम कर रही हूँ, मुझे काम नहीं मिल रहा है। मैंने उसे कहा, मैं 16 साल से कर रहा हूँ, तब जाके मुझे एक रोल मिला है। So the message or the tip that I would like to give to all of them is that don't come with this perception कि मैं जाके सारे एक्टर्स से आगे निकल के अपना झंडा गाड़ दूंगा और मैं स्टार बन जाऊंगा। ऐसा नहीं होता है। मतलब आपको पहले तो इंडस्ट्री पहचानेगी तो आपको काम देगी, आपका काम रिकॉग्नाइज होगा, और काम रिकॉग्नाइज होगा तो आगे बात बढ़ेगी। जैसे अभी मेरे पास कोई नया काम में नहीं, अभी एज एन एक्टर मैंने बहुत सारे काम आए, मैंने रिफ्यूज किए, जो मैं नहीं करना चाहता था ऐसे आए, लेकिन अभी ऐसा कुछ नहीं आया है जो कि मैं आई टॉक अबाउट स्टिल, है ना। सो आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट राइट काइंड ऑफ
Opportunity and
रोल टू,
right content.
या,
Yes.
हाँ।
Patience is also
So,
really important here.
very important. So while you come to Mumbai, you have to come prepared with the practicality of Mumbai, which is,
Yeah.
Mumbai is an expensive city, and you should be ready to take care of yourself. You should be equipped to take care of yourself, and then have patience, and then persistently keep looking for work. लोग उसको struggle बोलते हैं, मैं कहता हूँ it is not struggle. It is going out and sell yourself. और दूसरी एक सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात है कि ये सब करते हुए हो सकता है आपको 1 साल काम ना मिले, 1.5 साल ना मिले, 2 साल ना मिले, 3 साल ना मिले, लेकिन जब आप काम ढूंढ रहे हो उस समय आपके काम को इम्प्रूव करना भी बहुत जरूरी है। What
Yes.
happens is when
Yes.
people wants to start their career as a professional actor, they get into the profession, they start looking for work, but they don't work on their craft. They stop
They
working
sort
on their
of
craft.
start going with the flow and they forget that they have to improve themselves too.
एब्सोल्युटली, एब्सोल्युटली। अगर आप ऑडिशन में सिलेक्ट नहीं हो रहे हो तो आप या तो किस्मत को दोष देते हो, या तो आप सिस्टम को दोष देते हो, या आप कहते हो कि जो कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर है वो अपने दोस्तों को ही उसमें रोल दे देता है। ऐसा नहीं
Mm.
होता है। 20% होता होगा, मान लीजिए 10-20% होता
But
होगा,
talent
80%
always speaks louder than all of these things.
एब्सोल्युटली, व्हेन यू आर रिक्वायर्ड। अगर आपकी जरूरत है तो
Yeah.
वो आपको पाताल से भी ढूंढ कर ले आएंगे, लेकिन उनकी नजरों में आपको पहुंचने के लिए समय लगेगा, जो क्रिएट कर रहे हैं उनकी नजर में, है ना। अभी
Yes,
अभी
certainly.
जैसे मेरा शो रिलीज हुआ तो मेरे लिए कोई स्क्रिप्ट लेके बैठा नहीं है कि अच्छा हेमंत खेर का काम आएगा और हम उसको कास्ट कर लेंगे। मे बी नाउ पीपल थिंक दैट ओ दिस एक्टर इज गुड, वी कैन थिंक अबाउट हिम एंड वी कैन राइट अ
And
रोल फॉर हिम।
around him, yeah.
या ऐसा हो सकता है, आई डोंट नो, बिकॉज दिस
Mm.
इंडस्ट्री इज वेरी इट्स वेरी
Unpredictable and
अनसर्टेन,
yeah.
अनप्रेडिक्टेबल, इनसिक्योर। People doesn't like to give credits, people don't like to give, they don't want to appreciate, and it is like that, you can't, how will you fight it? You don't need to
You
fight
have
it.
to like be prepared for all of this, and
You
you have
just
to
have to
let
fight.
yourself drain out and still be in the game.
There is no उसका कोई फायदा नहीं कंप्लेन करने का। आप जो कर सकते हो बेस्ट वो करो, और कभी ना कभी तो आपका मौका आएगा ना। ट्रस्ट इट,
Definitely.
ट्रस्ट द यूनिवर्स, ऐसा मुझे लगता है। सो
Yeah.
कंप्लेन करने में जितनी एनर्जी लगाते हैं, मुझे लगता है उससे ज्यादा एनर्जी लगानी चाहिए अपने क्राफ्ट को इम्प्रूव करने में।
Improve करने में. So coming to your personal life now, बहुत सारा serious talks हो गया. You're married, आपकी शादी हो चुकी है, and you have kids. तो आपके personal life में कभी ऐसा वो moment आया होगा जो which was like कि लक्ष्मी माथे पे तिलक लगाने आएगी तो मैं मुंह धोने तो नहीं जाऊंगा. तो ऐसा कोई पर्सनल लाइफ का मोमेंट आपका अगर रहा हो.
नहीं, ऐसा कभी हुआ नहीं है यार। और मेरी फैमिली ना बड़ी सहज है। मेरा परिवार, मेरी माता-पिता, मेरे बच्चे, मेरे इन-लॉज़, मेरी वाइफ़, सब लोग ना ऐसा बहुत कम होता है कि आपको सब अच्छे लोग मिल जाए आपके आस-पास। तो मेरे साथ
दैट
ये
इज अ
हुआ
ब्लेसिंग.
है, मतलब एंड आई एम वेरी थैंकफुल टू गॉड फॉर दैट कि मैं मुझे कभी-कभी लगता है कि मैं ही थोड़ा-सा टेढ़ा हूँ, बाकी सब अच्छे हैं। तो ऐसा अपनी पैसों की वजह से ऐसा ऑब्वियसली कि आप मर्सिडीज़ लेना चाहते हो लेकिन आपके पास डिज़ायर के ही पैसे होते हैं, ऐसा होता है। बट नेवरदलेस मतलब ऐसा कभी फैमिली में इस चीज़ को लेकर कभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ है और ईश्वर की दया से आई बिलॉन्ग टू अ फैमिली जहाँ कभी खाने-पीने, रहने, जीने का कोई
Yes, sir,
प्रॉब्लम नहीं
definitely we are sure about
होगा।
that. Yes,
तो
sir.
तो मेरा सारा कंसंट्रेशन मतलब मैं तो ये कहता हूँ कि अब मेरी लाइफ में काम के अलावा कोई काम ही नहीं है। दैट इज़ व्हाट आई ऑलवेज़ से
वो
ऐसा।
सबसे पहले भी आता है. That is the most important.
अच्छा,
But
हाँ।
anyways, on a serious note, sir, what was your family's reaction to the show? Did they love it? What was
दे
it?
दे वर वेरी हैप्पी एंड दे वर लाइक यही तू चाह रहा था ना, देख अब हो रहा है, अब तू आगे बढ़ेगा। एंड वी
The
नो दैट
floodgates will
एंड दे हैव
open.
ऑलवेज़ वर्किंग रियली हार्ड। They have seen me doing shows, shooting day and
Definitely.
night, coaching people, running around, meeting, writing all the time, fighting with them that I'm writing, don't disturb me, kind of stuff they have seen. And my family is we are very open to each other, we talk to each other. सिर्फ पापा से नहीं कर पाते हैं क्योंकि पापा मेरे थोड़े स्ट्रिक्ट है। उनका नेचर ही वैसा है थोड़ा।
क्या सबके
बाकी
फैमिली का सेम है सब.
हाँ, तो बाकी they are really happy. My mom is very happy. My wife is very happy. She is happy for me that this he was running around all this and finally uh, he got this recognition. And I
I
am
mean,
happy.
sure,
I
sir,
mean,
many more opportunities are on their way, and they are yet to come.
inshallah, inshallah. I hope the
Definitely.
Bollywood is listening.
Yes. On high demand, I'll just ask you one question here that please deliver any dialogue of yours that is your favorite from the show. Your dialogue, we want to hear it here.
Uh, my favorite dialogue. My favorite dialogue is देख हर्षद, कायदा समझेंगे तो फायदे में रहेंगे। That is my
Yes.
favorite line.
Yes. We'll wind up this interview, but with a rapid fire session. So I'll
Let's
just
do
ask
it.
you quick
Fine.
questions and you'll give me quick answers. And for some of them, I'll give you options, and the rest will be just question and answer
No
session.
problem. Go ahead.
Okay, so we'll start. Firstly, who is your favorite actor from amongst these? Pankaj Tripathi, Rajkumar Rao, Manoj Vajpayee, or Prateek Gandhi?
Manoj Vajpayee.
Manoj Vajpayee. My favorite too. Who's the most talented star kid according to you? Alia Bhatt, Ananya Pandey, Sara Ali Khan, or Janvi Kapoor?
Alia Bhatt.
Best theme music, Mirzapur, Sacred Games, or Scam?
Scam.
Okay,
Always.
we'll just assume that was unbiased and not on any
Absolutely
bias.
unbiased. Absolutely. Otherwise, I would say Pratik Gandhi because I wanted to be unbiased, and that's why I said Manoj Vajpayee anytime. And I know Pratik is not going to feel bad about it.
No, sir. Okay, so except you and Prateek sir, who's your favorite actor from the show Scam 1992, whom you thought did a
Uh,
tremendous an amazing job?
all of them, but especially Rajat Kapoor uh, and Raghav, who played Sucheta's
Yes,
informer.
yes, yes.
I really like their work. And also Faisal Rashid, who played
Okay.
Basu.
So if you were given the role of Harshad Mehta and not Ashwin Mehta, do you think you would have done better justice to the role? Yes or no?
Yes, not, I mean, see, Pratik has done a tremendously amazing job,
Yes.
but I could have also done a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, that should be there. That confidence should be there in one
Yeah,
always.
definitely. Yeah.
So on a scale of 1 to 10, how safe are you going to, rate the industry for a newcomer female artist?
7.
7.
Yeah.
Okay, so now quick questions. Who's your favorite director with whom you want to work, in the near future from Bollywood?
Hansal Mehta.
Wow. Okay. Your favorite actor?
With whom I want to work?
Yeah, with whom you want to work or any actor, just your favorite actor
My favorite actor is Irfan Khan, all time favorite.
and actress.
Actress, Tabu.
Wow. Okay. And your least favorite, like whom somebody you're not a very big fan of from Bollywood.
There are many, and I am not going to take any names.
Sir, you please just one name.
No, no, I can't do that's
Okay, we
unethical.
understand that.
Everybody is good in their own shoes, and everybody is doing what the best that they can do, and that we should appreciate that.
Yeah, definitely. Okay, we'll let you get through
गलत
that
आदमी
one.
भी अपने लिए सही होता है,
Uh-huh.
गलत आदमी भी खुद के लिए सही होता है,
Mm-hmm.
and we should.
Okay, so here we'll wind up the interview. I think I've taken a lot of your time. Thank you so much for being with us today. It was a very I had a great time. I hope you had a great time too. And thank you so much
I
for
love
joining.
talking to people, so I always enjoy this.
Okay, so thank you so much. And okay, I'll end the interview here. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, and my love to everyone who is watching this, and really humbled and grateful for the love that we have received from people. Thank you, each of them. Thank you so much. God bless you.